Good day, everyone. We are Group 2, and today we are going to present our topic Emerging Japanese Visual Artworks. Japanese visual art continues to grow and change through new ideas. Modern technology and different creative styles while still being influenced by Japanese culture and traditions. Before we begin, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Nicart Chavidi Osida, and my members are Zaiden J. D. Listanco, Grayfred Janwa A. Acharon, Jillian Marie C. Ferrer, Brianna Anika Javier, Kiefer Adkins P. Mijares, Zion Freud R. Pita, and last but not the least, Johanna May L. Saliot. So once again, we are Group 2, and we hope you enjoy and learn something from our presentation. Let's get started. Learning objectives. At the end of the presentation, a classmate should be able to number 1, identify and explain the different forms, characteristics, and examples of emerging Japanese visual artworks. Second, understand how Japanese culture, traditions, history, modern society, and technology influence the development of these artworks. Third, compare and appreciate Japanese visual artworks and selected Philippine artworks by recognizing their similarities, differences, creativity, and cultural significance.
What is emerging Japanese visual artworks? Emerging Japanese visual artworks are new and contemporary forms of art created by Japanese artists that reflect modern culture, technology, and current social issues. These artworks often combine traditional Japanese aesthetics with digital media, animation, photography, installations, and experimental techniques. In simple terms, they are modern Japanese visual arts that are becoming popular and influential today. Examples include digital art, manga, and anime-inspired art, immersive installations, contemporary painting, and multimedia artworks.
Characteristics of Japanese and Philippine art.
Japanese art. Simple and refined designs, strong connection with nature, uses symbolic meanings, has unique Japanese aesthetic ideas such as wabi and sabi, combines traditional influence with its own Japanese styles.
Philippine art reflects Filipino culture and traditions, uses different forms such as pottery, painting, weaving, carving, and other visual arts, often feature nature, cultural symbol, and indigenous tradition, influenced by the different culture and communities found throughout the Philippines.
Definition: Emerging visual artworks are newer forms or styles of art that develop from changing ideas, techniques, materials, and technology. Contemporary art, for example, generally refers to art created from 1970s onward and is diverse in its materials, methods, concepts, and subjects, or the works of modern masters, offering an exciting journey across centuries of creativity and artistic genius.
What makes them emerging or modern? They are considered modern emerging when artists experiment with new ideas, techniques, materials, and ways of presenting art. Modern art moves away from some traditional artistic conventions and encourage experimentation, while contemporary art is influenced by technology, cultural diversity, identity, globalization, and modern society.
Types and forms of Japanese visual artworks.
Art made using computers, tablets, and software like Photoshop or Procreate. Aesthetic clean lines, vibrant colors, anime or fantasy themes are super popular.
Contemporary art. Modern paintings from 1970s to now that break traditional rules. Aesthetic mixes Japanese tradition plus global issues. It can be abstract, political, or pop.
Photography, capturing real life through a lens but with distinct Japanese aesthetic. Aesthetic minimalist, moody, everyday scenes, street life, nature.
Manga or anime inspired art. Art style from comics and animation, but made as standalone illustrations or paintings. Aesthetic, big expressive eyes, dynamic action, fantasy, sci-fi emotions are exaggerated.
Examples of Japanese emerging Japanese artwork. The Great Wave of Kanagawa. The artwork was made by Katsushika Hokusai. During the Edo period, he's famous for woodblock prints and capture light, plus nature with deep feeling. His work wasn't just landscape. He also did portraits and used his own teaching style that influenced latest artists.
Japanese influence in culture, tradition, history, nature, religion, and modern life. Japanese artists are deeply influenced by Japanese culture, tradition, history, nature, and modern life. Traditions such as tea ceremonies, calligraphy, kino making, poetry, and woodblock painting have shifted techniques, patterns, and materials used by Japanese artists. Japanese history also played an important role in art. For example, during the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, artists created yoke paintings that showed everyday life, beautiful landscape, actors, and popular entertainment. Nature often showing flowers, mountains, animals, and the changing season. Religious and philosophical ideas from Shinto Buddhism also influence the themes and meaning of many artwork. In modern Japanese, artists continue to combine traditional Japanese styles with anime, manga, technology, fashion, architecture, and urban life. Because of this, Japanese art connects the past and present, preserving tradition culture while expressing the experience of modern Japanese society.
Differences and similarities of Japanese and Philippine artworks.
Difference. Japanese artwork often focuses on simplicity, harmony, nature, and detailed designs. It usually uses calm and balanced elements to create a peaceful and meaningful appearance.
In contrast, Philippine artwork focuses more on bright colors, patterns, cultural symbols, and storytelling. It often shows the country's tradition, celebration, history, and everyday life through expressive and colorful design.
Similarities. Both Japanese and Philippine artworks are influenced by their culture, traditions, history, and beliefs. These influences can be seen in their designs, symbols, colors, and subjects. Both use art to express their identity, preserve their heritage, and share stories about their people and way of life.
Influence of technology in Japanese art. Japanese art has been influenced by technology and modern society. Artists use computers, tablets, cameras, and digital apps to create different colors, effective design, and style technology. Allow artists to combine traditional Japanese elements with modern technique, creating new and creative form of artwork, digital art, animation, photography, and graphic design have become popular ways for Japanese artists to express their ideas and culture.
Digital art. Digital art is also an important part of modern Japanese art. Artists use computers, tablets, and softwares to create illustrations, paintings, animations, and graphic designs. It allows them to experiment with different colors, effects, styles, and techniques, while combining traditional Japanese elements with modern technology.
Animation. Anime is also an important part of Japanese art, combining drawing, storytelling, music, and technology. It has become popular around the world and has influenced many artists and creators from different countries. Anime often uses unique characters, detailed backgrounds, creative visual styles, and emotional storytelling to express ideas and feelings. It can also show Japanese culture, traditions, history, and everyday life, making it an important part of modern Japanese culture and art. Social media. Social media helps Japanese artists share their work globally, while technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and interactive media make art more creative and immersive. These technologies allow viewers to experience artwork in new and interactive ways. Digital platforms also help artists connect with other creators, gain inspiration, and reach wider audiences. Through technology, Japanese artists can combine traditional art styles with modern ideas, creating unique artworks that reflect both Japanese culture and modern society.
Modern technology. Technology continues to change Japanese art while preserving Japan's creativity and culture. Artists can combine traditional techniques and cultural symbols with modern digital tools to create new forms of expression. This allows Japanese art to remain connected to its history while adapting to modern society. Through digital platforms, Japanese artwork can also reach people around the world and introduce them to Japan's culture and artistic tradition. Conclusion. In conclusion, Japanese and Philippine art show how culture, tradition, history, nature, and beliefs can shape the way people express themselves through art. While they have different styles, materials, and techniques, both preserve their cultural identity and heritage. Japanese art continues to combine traditional practices with modern technology, while Philippine art continues to reflect its diverse cultures and traditions. Through emerging and modern artworks, artists are able to keep their heritage alive while creating new and meaningful forms of expression.
Now let's move on to the questions. The question for number one is, who is the artist behind the artwork? The Great Wave of Kanagawa. Letter A, Katsushika Hokusai. Letter B, Kitagawa Utamaro. Letter C, Utagawa Hiroshige. The answer for question number one is letter A, Katsushika Hokusai.
Number 2. What are the six types and forms of Japanese visual artworks? Answer. Digital art, contemporary art, photography, manga or anime inspired art, installation art, mixed media art.
Number 3. What are the main similarities between Japanese and Philippine artworks? Answer. Both of them are influenced by their culture, traditions, history, and beliefs. They also help express their identity and preserve their cultural heritage. Number 4. How are Japanese and Philippine artworks different from each other? Answer. Japanese art often emphasizes simplicity, harmony, nature, and detailed designs, while Philippine art commonly uses bright colors, patterns, cultural symbols, and storytelling.
5. What are the similarities between Japanese and Philippine artworks? Answer. Both are influenced by the culture, traditions, history, and beliefs. They also use art to express their identity, preserve their heritage, and share stories about their people and way of life. References and credits: 1. Google. 2. ChatGPT. 3. Pinterest. 4. Wikipedia. 5. The Metropolitan Museum of Art. Last but not the least, 6. Web magazine Wochi Kochi.
And that concludes our presentation about emerging Japanese visual artworks. We hope you learned something about how Japanese artists continue to create new and unique forms of art while still being inspired by their culture and traditions. Once again, we are Group 2. Thank you everyone for listening and giving us your time. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. That's all from us. Have a great day.